Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Indian travelers surpass China, Japan to become highest sources of tourists to the US. Andhra Pradesh to compete with Goa. State government launches tourism master plan to develop 289 beaches. Punjab has adopted zero tolerance against illegal travel agents. CM Bhagwant Mann. Idukki high ranges enforce night travel ban. Exercise caution in Wayanad. CM Jagan to lay virtual foundation stone of Oberoi hotels in Tirupati on 9th July. BLS International Services expands visa outsourcing services for Egyptian embassy in India, Vietnam, Kerala to promote ties in tourism, trade. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.